up, man? I'm working on it. And we got Ferrari, sexy Ferrari.
Come drive with us.
I'm absolutely down to come drive with you guys, and it'll be a lot of fun.
I think so.
But do you think I can keep up, maybe?
Absolutely. With the C8 anyway.
Motor car and yourself is one complete unit. It's really a biblical connection between the two, the man and the machine.
Fuck! Look at that! Yes. Look at that guy! I can see that from a mile away. Why is that big?
Oh yeah. Gotta work on that size, man.
It's not how big it is, it's how you use it. Man in the machine. Welcome and good morning to the channel. Hey, what's up, man? I'm working on it.
Too early.
It is too early. Let me see where Taylor's at. All right, you saw the first intro. Meeting up with GT Car Joe as a first kind of pick up and go. We decided to meet at Starbucks so that we can go not eat coffee before a Carsandcoffee meet. We got Joe behind us in a GTR, AMG GTR, and then we're gonna have Taylor Tasca in his AMG C63. We're currently headed to meet Ferrari at another pit stop before. Hold on one second. Joe's calling me. What's up, Joe?
Hey, you're not going to the Cinemark?
Yeah. In Cypress.
We just passed it, didn't we?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, the Cinemark in Cypress.
Yeah. Isn't that the address I sent you?
Oh, I think I navigated it to the wrong. I'll just follow you.
All right. Yeah, Warner.
What's up?
What's up, Grayson?
Man, looking so good.
Trying to look good over here.
What's up, brother? There goes Taylor right there.
Hey, and here we go to start the morning. We got squad here. Decided to meet up before the meetup. Always got to do that. Rolling in together is kind of premium at the end of the day. But we got GT Car Joe sitting here. We got Taylor Tasca. We got Werner Ghost GT3. And we got Ferrari, sexy Ferrari. Let's go, yes. All right, we're gonna head over. These guys got to get in line, get prepped, stage, and all that good stuff. Sinclair photos.
What up, brother?
All right, we're here at Cypress Cars and Coffee. As you can see, brought the perp today. We have a nice lineup. The way they organize this meet seems pretty cool. They kind of organize the cars kind of where the brands sit. They have the Lamborghini sitting together. They have Porsche sitting together. They have classic cars sitting together. And Mercedes and Ferraris, but it looks like
man,
from
hey,
a...
I know you guys.
What's up,
He's in
stud?
trouble, motherfucking trouble and shit.
What happened? Wait, first off, what happened to you on that drive that we went on?
Well, fuck, y'all take off.
We went too fast for you? No, we're never too fast for Kelly. So, one of the good reasons of meeting up here is an opportunity for us to give back. We're giving more school supplies to these wonderful kids that are in need.
What's up?
Hi, X Squad! What's going on?
How are you?
Good, man. You guys good?
Good, good.
I was trying to make it to your shop before this meet, but I slept in a little bit. They wanted me to meet at their shop at 7:30, and I'm a little bit over. I could have made it if I floored it 200 all the way.
I mean, why not?
Well, next time for the video. So what is this pushing?
Looks stock, don't it?
It does look stock.
That's good. Yeah. It's 100 horsepower and 150 more torque. But it looks stock, right? When I crank it up, it sounds stock too.
I bet it
Y'all don't know
does.
shit, bitches.
I like this.
That's General Motors performance coder intake. That way it looks stock.
It looks stock.
Yeah.
I've never seen a view of the filter like that.
Well, if I had some other aftermarket bitch, you would know, but it looks kind of stock.
It's like, you see, that's all boxed in.
Yeah.
You got a little glass cover right there.
Now you can tell you ain't supposed to have this, okay?
Yeah, you ain't
But
supposed to have
it's
that.
I kind of blended it in black, so it looks kind of half-ass stock, right?
Yeah, it looks
It
stock.
looks kind of stock, so.
He's a stock guy. That's all we know, is that this guy loves stock.
Stock.
6, not a 6er.
7.
Yes.
Okay.
7-speed manual.
Competition race seats. So for you to get these seats in a car,
Yeah. Getting educated here by the man,
you
the
have to
myth,
bolt
the
on
legend.
an airbag to the side of your chair to,
Oh,
to be
jeez.
legal for the streets.
So I kind of got caught off guard a little bit with Kelly. I love Kelly. Love talking cars. That's what we need in these meets. More car talk. He's educated me on a lot of what he's done with his cars. But I want to get some of these cars before they leave. I had mentioned before they're organized a little bit in a fashion that kind of collects the brands together and the type of car. In this area over here we have our Supras, our JDM, oh, my favorite over there, the R34 and the R32, NSX, GTR. Oh my gosh, these cars are beautiful. Let me do a little B-roll for you. We got no garage queens here. So he's the guy running around in the 720 and that beautiful Corvette C8. Definitely gonna have to roll with Joe and Heather and make some good content together at some point, because they look like they always have fun in their cars. They definitely don't keep them in the garage. This right here is a driven car. You can tell easily, and if you can't, let me just point it out to you. You see all those bug specks? This guy, no garage queens, I'll tag him in the description, definitely likes to get on it. And she's without Freer, no garage queens, driven life right there. Pretty fun. Heather's is making the YouTube. I'm trying to keep up with her YouTube channel. Driven life. I love these two. I was talking to Joe earlier. I was like, man, you guys just get on your cars. You make me look like I don't drive my car hard enough.
Come drive with us.
I'm absolutely down to come drive with you guys, and it'll be a lot of fun.
I think so.
But do you think I can keep up, maybe?
Absolutely. With the C8 anyway.
racing, it's life. Anything that happened before or after